Hey guys, real quick before I get into the build video, I just wanted to say that from now on, I'm going to be hosting weekly giveaways on this channel, courtesy of Helium Tech IO. You'll be able to pick from either a 5.8 dBi antenna, an 8 dBi antenna, or an LMR 400 cable up to 25 feet. Make sure you are subscribed in order to be eligible to win, and check back every week when I announce the winners and host another giveaway. They also have sense caps, racks, and even this awesome, very high quality, thick helium hoodie on their website for sale. Make sure to use my affiliate link and discount code to get 10% off. Links, as always, down in the description below. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video where I go over the rewards that I'm currently making from the build here in this video. And yeah, that's it guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another HeliumHub video. In this video, I'm super excited because I'm going to take y'all along with me on a helium build that I do today. I'm going to start building it in the garage, kind of give you a step-by-step on how I do it, a more in-depth step-by-step guide, so to speak, than my last one. But it is going to be the same type of build where it's just going to be a 5-gallon bucket filled with some cement. I'm going to put a fiberglass mass flagpole that runs all the way up, that has the antenna. And I'm going to run the grounding cable and LMR cable all the way down until the ground, and then I'll plug the LMR cable into the Bobcat that's going to be on the other side of his shed. I'm going to place it at my buddy's house, so you'll see that the whole video and the whole build completed step by step in this video. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting. You guys are absolutely amazing. So make sure to smash that like button, throw me a subscription if this interests you, and let's get it going. Okay, so the first step is going to be pouring our concrete and getting it mixed into this bag. I just got the, I shouldn't be having nice clothes. I just got the cheapest shakecrete I could get, so it doesn't need to be any high-grade concrete or anything like that. And I just got a Lowe's bucket, simple. I know some of the hosts that I put it in prefer flower pots, so it looks a little bit nicer. You can fill it up with concrete, and then you could actually put flowers on the top of it with the flagpole running up. Just looks a little better. But that is going to be the first step, is to mix up this concrete. So let's get that going. All right, so I just got a hammer drill with a little bit on here, a little mixer bit. Just go ahead and mix it up. Okay guys, so now it is time to place the PVC sleeve into the cement. So, I made a dang mess, but you pretty much take the cement. You're going to want to get this as straight as possible, so I'm going to use a level. But you're pretty much going to put it in the cement, just like this. I did tape this side so it doesn't get full of cement. I would definitely do that, or have a PVC cap. But you're just going to place it in there. Get it right in the middle. Try to get it as good as you can. And now I'm going to go get a level and level it off. Okay, so as you guys can see, hopefully, take this camera. It is level as it's going to get. I'm going to wait for it to dry. There it is. Just a PVC sleeve. It's not filling up with any cement because I do have it taped. And that's it. Yeah, now we're going to go on to the next step. Which is attaching the antenna and U-bolting that and getting everything set up for when this is dry, we're ready to rock and roll. So let's go do that right now. All right guys, now that we are waiting for our cement to dry, I'm gonna attach this 5.8 dBi Rockland antenna onto my fiberglass mast, and then I'm gonna tape it up, make it look all neat. I'm doing all this before I get to the host house, just because I don't wanna be in his yard for a while. A lot of the work you can just do in your garage before you get to the host house, and it'll take you only 30 minutes to set it up. That's why I really like this method, and I really like this build. It's simple, it gets you high up, gets you clear vision, allows you to use a nice big antenna, and earn the most rewards as possible, and provide the best coverage as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy taped up on here with tape and good old conventional U-bolts. So after that, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek into how it looks after. So let's get going. Alright guys, so a few days have passed since the last part of the video that I was making. I am now at my buddy's house ready to install it. Got the antenna all taped up there, got the grounding wire and LMR cable running down this entire mast, and it's gonna go right there. And that bucket, our cement from earlier, is now dried. It's stable and straight, and the PVC sleeve is in there as well. And put that antenna up, and I'll talk to you guys then. All right, guys, so it is finally set up. There she is, all the way up there on a 28-foot fiberglass mast around. As you can see, I dug it in here a little bit just so it's a little bit more stable. So I kind of put the 5-gallon bucket halfway in the ground, dug that out, filled it in. I put some extra dirt on top just for it to be stable. The sleeve, as you can see there, I'm running the LMR cable and the grounding wire into here. And there the miner is, green. And got the LMR cable here and the grounding cable. I went and attached to my grounding box right there. That's grounded, so we are good. And yeah, that's one last look at it, everyone. Build is complete. Miner's green. I just updated the location, and we should be good. Kirby, what do you think? Only took 30 minutes?
30 minutes, 25 minutes.
In actuality, guys, it probably took 2 hours, but thanks for sticking with me. That's our build. Thanks, Kirby, for helping me out.
Fine. Everything's good.
Everything's awesome.
Yep.
I did this. How I fastened it up here, I just put a block spacer, and I had metal straps I screwed in, so it's very nice and tight. It's sturdy there.
You put it in the ground?
Yep, put it in the ground.
6 inches?
Yep, six inches about, so it's pretty stable. Say that it is, you can see that bend. It looks a little bit more crazy, especially when it's windy like it is right now. When you're standing on the bottom, it's not terrible. And at least with it being so high up, that's a 28-foot mast. So I think the height will outweigh the wobble, so to speak. So anyway, guys, that's it. Okay, guys, so here we are 2 days after I installed the miner and completed the build. And as you can see, in 24 hours, I've made 0.172 coins. And then yesterday, I made 0.198 coins, which is amazing. That's like $4 to $6, which is amazing, considering it's only a $500 miner. I just wanted to remind everyone that, you know, even $4.23 for 365 days, that is $1,500. Let's just call it 1,500 instead of 1,543, and that is 3xing your ROI in 1 year, which is absolutely amazing. It's crazy that there's so many uncertainty, fear, and doubt when people are paying off their miner threefold in a year, and people still don't like those profits. I've seen it, and it's crazy to me that people have that, because from a business standpoint, making $1,500 a year passively is amazing, and that could easily double if helium goes back to its all-time high, and then you're making $3 grand a month off of a $500 miner. So looks good in my eyes, but I guess not to some. And I just also wanted to show you again, I show this kind of in some other videos, what you have to spend in an ASIC miner to get this reward. So let's say you want to get, let's say $5 a day for this one, Goldshell LT5 Pro. Yeah, you're gonna have to spend, let's see, almost $6,000 to have the same profitability that this miner's having. And this miner's $500, and this one is $6,000. This one makes $5 a day, and this one makes roughly $5 a day. So really doesn't make sense to me why people are hating on it. But hey, everyone has their thing, and everyone, well, not everyone, but some people even hated on Bitcoin back when they were mining half a coin a day, but it was only worth a couple dollars at that point, and so they stopped mining it. So I just wanted to show you guys that. You can definitely see what time I upgraded the antenna right there. And I have 20 witnesses, so fairly happy with that. 0.83 transmit scale, we're synced up, and yeah, I moved it from a terrible location and increased the rewards. That's why I always tell you guys, if you guys are in a bad spot and there's nothing you can do about it, try to find a new host, try to find a new location, because you will earn a lot more rewards just with a better location, even if you have to give out 25%. I always tell you guys, 75% of 10 coins is more than 100% of 5 coins. So if you can get 5 coins on your own in a location, cool, great. But if you can get 10 coins at your buddy's house and you just give him 25%, well, then you're keeping 7.5 coins. So Makes sense to me to do something like that. Obviously, you can tell when we upgrade the antenna. Like I said, that's a Helium Tech IO antenna, so I'm actually fairly impressed with it. I haven't tested one before, so this is my first time, and yeah, it's doing well, doing better than I thought. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. As always, really appreciate everyone watching. We're almost to 2,000 subscribers, so that's my new goal. 2,000. Please help me get there. If you haven't already, tossed me a subscription. Throw me a like if this helped you in any way. And like I said, make sure to check back every week for the giveaway, because I'm running giveaways every single video, courtesy of Helium Tech IO. You got to be a subscriber and you got to comment down below. So make sure to be subscribed, comment down below, and I will see you guys on the next Helium Hub video. Take care.